Hi traders, welcome to my channel. Once again, it's OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trade on Euro USD JPY pair and then I will be analyzing the chart after the trades. So let's focus on the market. The market is showing a downward pressure, so I'm going with the downward trend. Yeah, and I saw a good signal with a high volume, so I went with the downward pressure to do a put option. Please, if you have a video suggestion, you can leave a video suggestion, maybe an explanation of something you might not get clearly. You can leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to tend to that video suggestion. Oh, I think there is a news release because of this. Let me see. I think there is a news release happening at 1:30. Yes, 1:30. Strong news release. Maybe this is a good time to do another trade based on news release. Let me see what we have here. Okay, let me see. Okay, wow, let me see if there is a reference point. Wow, so I think the market will be going up for, should this be 5 minutes pressure up? Oh, sorry. So I'll do a 5 minutes call. I have taken this first trade before this news came. I think I have explained about the news release in one of my previous videos, but then we have an opportunity once again to see how the news is being traded. This is the news. This is the news. The non-farm productivity and the unit labor cost at this time. Oh, there are even more news. Okay, there are 3 news: initial job claims, non-farm productivity, and initial labor costs. So this is how it is. This is the pair it's affecting. You see, it's affecting the Euro JPY pair. Yeah, so the forecast, I don't really know these fundamentals, to be honest. I just deal on price action and my analysis using volume and price. So let's see how this closes. Trading the news is a very good strategy because it is kind of it's like an expo, because once you have the market direction confirmed with volume, you can do a trade for more than 2-3 minutes to that direction. That is how the news is being traded. I would have been trading the news, but it's not always available when I'm trading, so that's why I don't trade it. But personally, I do trade it sometimes when I'm trading during news period. I hear people talking about avoiding the news, but you should avoid the news only when you don't know the strategy. But using volume and price analysis, it's a very good and profitable strategy. You are going to make lots and lots of profitable trade, most especially when you have news like this. You have news coming out at the same time. You have 1, 2, 3 news that are maybe these are species, I don't really know, but they are two bar news releases and they are very significant. In this case, the 2 bars and the 3 bars are very significant. So with this kind of news, you can definitely, all you have to do to wait for the news, wait for the reaction of the market and a confirmation with volume. That is all you need. When you get something like this, you are good to go. so the video is taking long, so I'll be doing only these two trades, because in news releases I don't want to spend lots of time analyzing this and that for 3 trades. These 5 minutes alone is enough to complete this video. So after this trade, I'll try once again to explain. Let's see how it closes. And please, if you have not subscribed, this is a new channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me. If you have a comment, you leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, and please share the video to your social media platforms. It will help the channel grow. This is just all you can do, and I'll try my best to always give quality videos like this. Like I said earlier on, I don't know if I've said it, if you have a video suggestion, if there is a concept you may not understand regarding binary option, forex trading, crypto, any of these assets, you can leave a comment in the comment section asking me to explain any of this, and I will definitely get back to you to explain it so that you can go on smoothly in your trading career. Okay, so this is going to be the end of this. We have exactly 30 seconds more. Okay, here is the first trade. Let me explain this first trade for you. Let me remove this. Okay, I'll remove this. So I took this trade here. Now, why did I take this trade? If you look at this, the market is showing low volatility. So let me do something. Sorry, let me do something here. Okay, so this is the trade I took. Why did I take this trade? If you look at this market, price has been coming up from this level. Price was going up from this level of demand. It has been going up, and then it got to this level of previous supply, and it broke out on high volume. When it broke out on high volume, what did we see? We saw this candlestick. This candlestick here is a weak candlestick, and we saw another candlestick which shows an anomaly. We saw another candlestick but with a low volume. Let me get this straight. Oh, I don't have it here. Okay, we saw this candlestick with a low volume, and if you look at the Bollinger Band at this point, the Bollinger Band is showing, you see, overbought. The price is outside this Bollinger Band, which is at this point overbought. So this is like a reversal signal here, a short-term reversal. Now we saw this candlestick, which is a hammer candlestick, but in this point is a hanging man, not a hammer. Hammer candlestick happens at the bottom of the trend. Hanging man candlestick happens at the top of the trend, just like this candlestick is a hanging man, not a hammer. So when we saw this hanging man, it shows a sign of reversal, a hanging man reversal, and I saw this reversal on high volume. When I saw this reversal on high volume, I did the put trade here. If this candlestick, after these two hanging men, or let's say gravestone doji, if this candlestick should end on high volume just like it's doing now, you see that the next candlestick will probably be a bearish candlestick, because this is a very strong setup. The next candlestick will be closing, will most probably close below this place, this point I'm drawing now. You can see this point. This is where it will most probably close below. That is sometimes it has a high probability. So that was why I did this trade. As you can see, I saw this short-term reversal, this hanging man, which is also showing a short-term reversal, and I saw this candlestick on high volume. And if you look at this candlestick, it is kind of bigger than the hanging man. You see, on high volume I did this put, and I wanted to go with the trend again. What happened? I saw a news release, a huge candlestick breaking out. You see, a huge candlestick breaking out, and what happened? I did a 5 minutes call because the breakout of this candlestick is confirmed with a huge volume, the highest volume since this trading section. This is the highest volume. So when I saw this breakout, what happened? I did a call 1 2 3 4 5 and I got it in the money here. This is the call trade. I got it in the money here. So like I told you earlier on, you can see how this setup is working. The hanging man setup, look at it, hanging man. This candlestick came with a huge volume, and I told you after this candlestick is going to close below this line that I drew, because this is a support and resistance. And what did we see? Yes, it closed below it. So if you did your put trade above this line, you will also get it in the money. This is exactly, if you look at this is exactly what has happened here, and it's happening here again. So from here the market will continue to go down. So that is that. Once again, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment at the comment section, like this video and share with your friends. This is all for today. Thanks for having me. I am OT Josh. Bye.